Are you tired of searching for your most compatible zodiac sign? Do you feel confused by all this information found on the internet and you still don't know which sign is best for you? If yes, then please follow along this video and I'll tell you the most simplest way to find your compatible Rasi or zodiac sign. Now, according to Vedic astrology, the most compatible zodiac sign with yours is the one that is first, fifth, and ninth. Which means if you count from your zodiac sign, then the Rasi that comes in the first place, the fifth place, and the ninth place is the most compatible sign with you. Right? Let's take an example. Now, if you're an Aries, now if you count from Aries, the first Rasi comes Aries itself, right? Because one is the Aries, and the fifth comes Leo. So if you count from Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, and Leo, which is five. And if you count to nine, Sagittarius comes. So these signs are the most compatible with you. Now, before taking another example, I'll also tell you why this is important. And for that, you need to stay till the end of the video. Now, let's take another example. Let's take Capricorn as an example. Now, if you count 159 from Capricorn, one of course becomes Capricorn, fifth becomes Taurus, and the ninth becomes Virgo. So for a Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgos are the most compatible zodiac signs. Now, why this works? Now, if you look at a Kundali, the 159, these houses are called Lakshmi Stan, also called Trikona Stan. Now, these houses are the most auspicious houses in a Kundali according to Vedic astrology, and these houses bring good fortune, prosperity to the person. Now, any zodiac sign that falls under these houses are automatically auspicious. So that is why it works. These 159 are automatically compatible. Now, the second reason is all zodiac signs that are 1, 5th, and ninth from each other all have the same element. Now, from the previous example, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are 1, 5th, and ninth from each other, right? So they all are fire element. Similarly, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo, they all are earth element, earthy signs. So, zodiac signs which have the same element are automatically compatible. Simple as that, right? And this is why these signs are considered to be the most compatible ones, not just for friendships, no partnerships, but also for marriage. But for marriage, you also need to keep in mind about Manglik dos, Nadi dos, and other factors. But you can start with 1, 5, and 9 zodiac signs. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. If you are still confused about your compatible zodiac signs, let me know in the comment down below, and I'll help you out personally. Thank you for watching. To do.